So now I will discuss in this session what is the best practices for manual testing. So adopting best practices can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of manual testing. Early involvement. Already I have discussed before session why we should early involvement because of early detect of the defect. Okay, if we are involvement early, suppose uh, when developer implemented the code for sign up and sign in page, that time if tester involvement, so if any defect so will be raised and will be fixed by the development team. If this bug after completion the project, if tester involved, so defect will be raised, but uh, developer will fix, will take more time, or likely maybe developer thought the flow, forget the flow, how work sign up, sign in. It might be not at all time. Developer might be suppose forget how is the flow. Okay, so early involvement involving testers early in the SDLC for understanding requirement and design better test cases. And if we involve early, so we can write test cases better. Okay, then clear test cases, writing clear, concise, and well document test case to ensure consistency and repeatability. So clear test case should be proper writing and concise and well document. If so we if our uh, writing is not proper, so after developer could not understand, or project manager or client could not understand of my writing. So we should writing clear, concise, and well documented test cases to ensure consistency and repeatability. Prioritization, prioritizing test case based on risk and critically. First, we should write the priorities test case. We should follow the business logic. We should follow the functionalities. We should follow the risk, and critically on focus the most important aspect first. So we should, when we will write the test case, we should uh, consider first the unique email ID, and same credential should be used at the time of sign in. Okay, and after sign in page should be um, redirect the dashboard page, and after click the any module, suppose payslip. So after click the payslip for the CRM project, so we'll we should the which month, okay, and which year, and after which percent. Okay, so that is the critical and risk, and that should be the priority stage. And next, regular communication, maintaining open communication with developer. Each and every project and each and every time should be communicate with developer. Okay, after raise the bug, we should not stop the work. Okay, and we should we should not finish. After raise the defect, we should not finish. My work is end, and I send the report. Developer will know that, and developer will responsible for the fixing the defect. Okay, it should be regular communication. After raise the defect, we should discuss with developer how much time will be take the fixing, and if any problem for understanding the defect. Okay, so those are the communication with developers, product owners, and we should communicate with product owners. Who is the product owner? The stakeholder, or who is the on our client. So if after complete the after fixing the bug, we should check. We should deliver the client. You can cross check, and you check your expectation is meet with the implementation. Okay, so and other stakeholders to stay informed about changes and updates. Defect tracking. Use the defect tracking tool to document and manage defect efficiently, ensuring they address problem promptly. Defect tracking means after raise the bug, we should report Jira or Mantis or Backlog or Excel, okay, or Bugzilla. So proper document like screenshot and proper URL and expected result, actual result for the defect tracking. Next, continuous learning. This is the very important point. Continuous learning. Before starting the testing, we should understand the SOW, scope of work. What actually say the customer? What is the customer expectation? Okay, this is the continuous learning. What is the definition? Keeping up to date with latest testing trends. And after all, we should, if client is not technical knowledge, client have does not have technical knowledge, so we should say to the customer and communicate with the developer and any updated. So we should discuss with the customer, developer, management team, okay, and techniques and tools to improve testing skills and knowledge. User perspective. Always testing from the end user perspective to ensure the software delivers a positive user experience. We should the positive user experience. Suppose we deliver the product, after we should not finish the work and we should not stop the work for this project. We should deliver the user experience also. Suppose sign up, sign in, add to cart, how is the flow. That should be provide the experience, user experience to customer. Okay. Next, challenges in manual testing. What is the challenges in manual testing? Manual testing presents several challenges. Time consuming, okay, human error, repetitive task, scalability, subjectivity. Time consuming, obviously when we will do manual testing, it's the time consuming. Okay. Then automation. It inherently time consuming, especially for large and complex system where we are using the complex, and suppose when we are using regression or decision table or state transition, that time consuming for manual testing, as each test case must be executed manually. Human error, prone to human error. For manual testing is human error can be okay. So prone to human error such as missing defects, such as missing the defects of human. Okay. Incorrect execution of test cases. Test cases might be incorrect execution or inconsistent results. Okay. Repetitive and mundane tasks can lead tester fatigue and reduce motivation. Repetitive task is facing the manual tester. Same task when we saw for the reduce repetitive task, we will use the uh, equivalent partition. Okay, but equivalent partition also we should enter the input number from each partition. Okay, so it is the repetitive task. Scalability, scaling, manual testing effort, large project. So for the large project, manual testing should be more scaling. Okay, frequent release can be difficult without required resource. Then subjectivity results can vary on tester skills. It is the important point. Results can be based on tester skills, tester experience, interpretation, but automation testing result is the machine which generated the testing report or HTML report or code execution report at the console. Okay, but for subjectivity for the tester skills. Okay. So thank you. We are uh, too many part finished of manual testing. Next session I will discuss regression and retesting. Okay. So thank you so much.